Welcome to day 82. Today's word is allow. To allow is to soften your grip. It's the moment you stop fighting what is and begin opening to what could be. Allowing isn't giving up, it's giving space. It's the gentle art of trust, trusting that what's meant for you will arrive and what's no longer aligned will fall away. Allowing is one of the deepest practices of faith. Not faith in something distant, but faith in the quiet intelligence of life itself. It's the moment you exhale into what is without needing to be anything else. We are taught to believe that control equals safety, that the more we plan, manage, and strive, the more secure we'll feel. But control is often born from fear that if you let go, everything will fall apart. Yet what if the falling apart is actually the falling into alignment? When you begin to allow, you make room for grace to do its work. You stop clinging to timelines and outcomes. You stop trying to control how healing looks and start trusting that it's unfolding exactly as it needs to. Allowing is not indifference, it's awareness. It's seeing clearly what is yours to carry and what isn't. It's surrendering your grip on what refuses to move and instead asking, what would it feel like to trust the unfolding? There will be moments where allowing feels uncomfortable, when you want to rush forward, demand closure, or make sense of things that don't fit yet. But this is where transformation happens, in the waiting, in the releasing, in the quiet permission to not know yet. To allow is to meet yourself exactly where you are. It's the pause between resistance and peace. It's the moment you breathe through the ache instead of running from it. It's sitting beside your emotions, letting them speak and realizing they were never your enemy. When you allow what you feel, it moves through you. When you fight what you feel, it roots deeper. Healing asks for space, and space comes through allowance. You are not meant to fight every tide. You are meant to learn how to float. So allow yourself to soften into the unknown. Allow yourself to rest without guilt. Allow yourself to receive what was once pushed away because you didn't feel ready. Allow yourself to be changed, not through striving, but through surrender. You can trust the pace of your own unfolding. You can trust that letting go doesn't mean losing. Sometimes it means finally receiving what you were never open to before. Allowing doesn't mean doing nothing. It means doing what's aligned, acting from presence instead of panic, responding from peace instead of protection. And in that space of surrender, you discover the truth. You were never meant to control life. You are meant to experience it, fully, deeply, and freely. Allowing is remembering that your worth was never tied to effort. It was always held in being. And every time you soften into what is, you say yes, not to the chaos, but to the calm within it. So today's challenge is this: practice the power of allowing. In the morning, notice one thing you've been trying to control. Pause and whisper, I allow this to unfold. When emotions rise, instead of labeling them good or bad, place a hand over your heart and say, I allow this feeling to exist. When something beautiful happens, don't shrink from it. Allow yourself to receive it fully. Before you rest this evening, journal on what you released today simply by allowing things to be as they are. Let's take this deeper with reflections, not to fix, but to make space for what's real. Where in my life am I still trying to control what's meant to unfold? What might happen if I stopped resisting what I feel and allowed it to move through me? What becomes possible when I trust life enough to let it flow naturally? Take a deep, unhurried breath in and let it go gently. Speak these affirmations out loud. I release the need to control. I allow life to unfold in its own rhythm. I trust that what's meant for me will find me, and I will be ready to receive it. Again, I release the need to control. I allow life to unfold in its own rhythm. I trust that what's meant for me will find me, and I will be ready to receive it. Let's take this moment together and close in prayer. Bring one hand to your heart and gently close your eyes. Spirit, thank you for teaching me the sacred art of allowing, for showing me that sometimes the greatest act of faith is not in holding tighter, but in opening wider. Spirit, I ask you to help me release the illusion of control, the parts of me that believe I have to earn peace, prove my worth, or hold the world together by sheer will. Help me soften into trust. Help me remember that surrender is not defeat, it's devotion. It's the place where my strength and your grace meet. Teach me how to allow life to unfold, even when I don't understand it. Teach me how to stay grounded when things fall apart, and how to see the beauty in beginnings that rise from endings. Spirit, remind me that allowing doesn't mean I stop caring. It means I start trusting you to care with me. It means I stop pushing and start listening. It means I let go of what isn't mine, so that I can hold what is meant for me. And for the one listening right now, Spirit, meet them in this sacred breath. The one who's been carrying too much, trying too hard, fighting what's already asking to be released. Let them feel the relief of letting go. Let them feel their shoulders drop, their breath deepen, their spirit ease into stillness. Let them know that they are not falling apart. They are falling into alignment. Let them see what they let go of was never theirs to lose, and what they keep through love will never leave. Spirit, wrap them in gentleness tonight. Show them that allowing is not weakness, it's wisdom. Let peace find the places within them that have forgotten what ease feels like. Let grace move through every space where worry once lived. And let this prayer become their permission slip, to trust, to release, to rest. Spirit, breathe through them now. Let your calm fill every space that fear once occupied. Let their body unclench, let their heart expand, let their soul remember that they are safe to receive the life that's meant for them. And when they rise tomorrow, let them rise lighter, not because everything is fixed, but because everything is flowing, because they have allowed it to, because they have trusted you. In Jesus' name I pray, amen. Allowing is how you return to peace. You don't have to chase or force what's already meant for you. You only have to open and let it come through. The more you allow, the freer you become. The freer you become, the more you trust. And in that trust, life begins to move with you. I'll meet you here tomorrow for day 83. Same time, new word. Until then, soften your grip, open your heart, and allow yourself to breathe. From my heart to yours, I am always with you.